Elijah, are you guys ready with page 31? This is lesson 1.4. I'm going to look for your hand raise button. Okay, thanks, Elijah. Good job, Mason. And now Paige. Good job, Paige. All right, my friends online are ready. My friends in the classroom are ready. All right, here is our question. How do you solve addition problems by making a model? So, when we are making our model today, we're going to be drawing pictures that match our story problem. And it's going to help us really picture that in our head. And we're going to say, oh, that makes sense. I can understand these problems so well. All right, our first story problem. I have to circle the important parts in my book. So if I circle it in your book, I want you circling it in your book with your pencil. Okay, Cruz? Pencil up. Yes. Okay. Hannah has 4 red flowers in a vase. So I see a 4. Circle the 4. She puts 2 more flowers in the vase. How many flowers are in the vase? How can you use a model to find out? This is going to walk us through the problem. It's going to tell us everything we need to know, and then we can solve it. Petra, do you have a question?
Yeah, I don't have a
You don't have a what?
I don't have a pencil.
Oh, I can solve that for you. Here you go. You can keep this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, she has 4 red flowers, and she puts 2 more in the vase. So we circle the 4 and the 2. Our question is, what do I need to find? What are we trying to figure out? How many flowers? So we have the word down here, flowers, that they wrote out, and we're just going to trace over it. Flowers. Pencil up, that lets me know you're ready for next step. Good job, good job. Good job, Cruz. All right. What information do I need to use? We have 4 red flowers to start with. And we know that there are how many more flowers? 2 more. Okay? I'm going to move down the screen. Here is our model. This is the model that I was talking about. Can you guys say bar model?
Bar model.
One more time. Bar model. Good job. How to solve the problem. We started out with 4 flowers, and then they put 2 more flowers in the vase. I'm going to show you why those numbers are over here. This whole box is going to tell us how many are all together. This bigger part here has a 4. The 4 is what we started with. This part over here is what we're adding to the 4 flowers. All together is going to be how many flowers we have when we put the numbers together. So, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Mason, can you tell me how many 4 plus 2 equals? I want you guys to hold it up with your fingers.
6.
Mason says 6. Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Okay. 4, 5, 6. He says 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, if you look on our bar model, boys and girls, there's a 6 down here. That is telling us that this piece here, watch what I do, this piece here plus this piece here equals 6 altogether, okay? So we're going to be building a bar model, and we're going to say this piece plus this piece, put them together. The whole bar model is going to be what the equal sign is, okay? That was page 31. You're going to go over to page 32, so you guys need to turn your page in your book. You should see a little bird up here. How about a thumbs up or a raise hand button if you see the little bird on your page? Good job, good job, good job, good job. Friends online, you see the bird? Okay, we see these birds. All right, what is this thing called again? Bar model. What is it called? Bar model. All right. There are 7 dogs in the park. Ooh, what do I circle? 7. With your pencil, circle 7. Then 1 more dog joins them. Ooh, what do I circle? 1. How many dogs are in the park now? Take a look. We're adding these numbers together. 7 plus 1. Look at my bar model. 7 here plus 1 more. All together, we're going to solve how many 7 plus 1 is, and that number is going to go on this blue line. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to figure out 7 plus 1, and then I'm going to call on somebody to tell me the answer. 7 plus 1. Cadence. 8. So what number do I put here? 8, because there's 8 all together. 7 plus 1 equals 8. All right. Something else that I want to show you guys that you could do to help you out. You could draw little circles above your bar model, but you only draw as many circles as the number says. So if this part here says 7, how many circles do I drop here? 7. So make sure you have enough room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and draw your circles. All right. So remember yesterday when we were doing our book, we were drawing circles? I'm showing you guys that you can use your circles or a bar model and you can still get the same answer. How many circles do I need above this 1? Just 1, right? Just 1. And then, if I count all these circles up here, that should be 7 plus 1. And I should have 8 circles. So I'm going to make sure that I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I do. We do not always have to draw these circles. I just wanted to show you on the bar model that you can solve these problems by using your circles, and you can just draw them right up on your bar model. But you don't have to, because we know that our bar model is going to help us out by just counting the 2 numbers and putting them together, right? Yeah. All right, we have another problem. So make sure you have your pencil ready to circle the important information. Ooh, this one's a bit tricky. This one they wrote the word out instead of writing the number. So I'm going to write the number above the word. Can you guys do it with me?
Yeah.
5 birds are sitting in the tree. How many? 5. So let's put a 5 right here. 4 more birds sit in the tree. How many more? 4. So above the word 4, I want you to put a 4. How many birds are in the tree now? We need to add what 2 numbers? Blank plus blank. Elijah, what are we adding together? Can you guys hold up the... Good job. Can you guys hold up the 2 numbers? We're adding together 5 plus 4. Do you guys see that on the bar model? There's a 5 plus a 4. Together, we are going to solve what the equation is. We're going to put that number here and put that number here. If you know 5 plus 4, I want you to raise your hand. Ooh, Mason was super quick. So I need to make sure that I'm calling on my friends on the computer and you guys. So we're going to make sure that it's nice and even, okay? Mason, can you tell me 5 plus 4? Mason says 9. Did you guys get 9? Okay, let's make sure. What I want you guys to do is say 5. Scoop up the number 5 and say 5. Ready? 5. Hold it in your hand. And I need to count 4 more. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys were right. It is 9. So the 9 goes here. And then this right here is saying, okay, the 5 and the 4 together we have 9. So put a 9 right here.
I already knew. I counted from the start. You left my house up.
Looks really sharp. Love it.
I like your house.
Oh, I forgot to give points. I'm going to give the class 2 points because people are raising their hand and being very respectful. I appreciate that. That's true. But remember, I'm not just giving a point for every single time somebody raises their hand. I'm giving a point if somebody raises their hand instead of blurting it out, right? Right. Okay, next problem. There are 4 horses in the field. What do we circle? 4. Ooh, this one's a bit tricky. Are you ready? Some more horses run to the field. They didn't give us a number. Do you know what that's called? Mystery. Mystery. So put a question mark because we don't know. All they said was some more horses run to the field. Then, altogether, we had 10 horses. Now look here. We have a 10, and they're saying that there's a 10 here. We're not adding 4 plus 10. We're adding 4 plus something to get 10. How many horses run to the field? Now, do you guys remember when we drew circles to help us solve problems? We're going to do it again. Are you ready? This is where you're going to need your crayons. Please pick up a red crayon. Red crayon.
I can use this one as a red crayon.
Perfect. All right. I don't think so. 4. How many circles do we draw above the 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make sure your circles stay above your 4. This one's really tricky, but we're going to solve it. Okay, how many circles do I draw above the mystery?
10.
Not 10, because we want 10 all together. Remember, this number down here tells us all together. You know what we're going to do? We're going to scoop up 4 and keep counting until we reach 10. So now I want you to grab a blue, and we're going to draw blue circles. Are you ready? All right, hold your crayon up so I know you guys are ready. All right. Okay, we're going to count to 10, but we're going to include these ones too. We're not going to start counting 10 right here. We want these to be part of our 10. So watch what I do. Everyone scoop up 4 and say 4. 4. And now keep going. 5. In your book. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now I can stop. I have 10 circles up here now. I didn't draw 10 more. I just have 10 now. We want 10 all together. 4 are red. The rest are blue. We need to count our blue to figure out our mystery number, and that's going to tell us the some more horses. That's our mystery. Okay. We're adding these up. Remember, we're not counting 10 plus 4. We're counting 4 plus mystery. Paige, do you know my mystery number here? Let's hear if Paige got it right.
Teacher.
Yes.
I got it done.
Okay. If I don't hear from Paige, I'll call on you next, Elijah. She says 6. Did you guys get 6? Okay, so get rid of your question mark because you know it's a 6 now. So, 4, this is telling us that 4 plus 6 equals 10. Let's fill in the equation. 4 plus 6 equals 10. We need to make sure that there are 10 up here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did it right. We solved it. That was super tricky, but I knew you guys could do it. Elijah, did you get 6 also?
I said 14. Yes.
So I heard some people say, I thought it was 14. I know that that's what it looks like. It looks like we should add 10 plus 4, but they tricked us. We have 10 all together. We're not adding 10.
I thought it was
Super tricky.
I thought it was 9.
4 plus 6?
I thought it was 5. I thought it was like 14.
Oh, we have a lot of wording going on. Make sure we're focused. 9. I heard you say 9. We're going to count again, Petra, to show that it's 10, okay? So scoop up 4. Ready? 4. And now 6 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Nice job. This one will probably not show up on your test. I just wanted to see if this was something that we could challenge ourselves with, okay? We're going to go down to the next page, which is 33. So look for a 3, 3.
I see it.
Do you see it? Oh, look at Paulina raising her hand instead of blurting. That is super, super, super responsible. Thank you. Mason is raising his hand. Deleza, we are on page 33. Okay. I am looking here. We are going to skip this one because this is a mystery problem. And we already did one mystery problem today. So what do? Cross it out. We are not going to do that one right now.
The very top one?
Just the very top one, yep. This one right here that has an 8 for 8 bugs. We're going to do the 8 bugs one. Okay, because we already did one mystery problem. We don't need to do another one today. All right, here is my problem. Ooh, look at all these hands raised. That lets me know you're ready. Yes. Yes.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes. 8 bugs are flying. How many bugs?
8.
Oh, Cruz, nice job. Thank you for paying attention. 8 bugs are flying. What do we circle? 8. Bless you. 2 more bugs fly with them. How many more? 2. It's not a mystery. Look, it's here. How many bugs are flying now? I want you to add your 8 plus your 2. 8 plus 2. And then raise your hand if you know the answer to 8 plus 2. So start with 8 and then count 2 more. Petra. 10. So where do I put here? 8 plus 2. 10. To finish my bar model, I have to write a number right here. What number do I put? 10, because I have 8 and 2 more. And all together, this whole thing is 10. This would all be 10.
I did the circles on top of it, and I put a little plus in the middle, so I could put the 2 and the 10 and the 8.
Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 2.
But I had more room than you, see? Because I did them smaller.
Okay, next time I'll do them a little bit smaller.
You can erase them and do it over too.
But to save time, we're gonna keep going on these problems, okay?
I was thinking that too.
All right. Ooh, here's a mystery one. What are we gonna do? Cross it out. We're gonna skip it. Hey. Now, what I want you guys to notice on here is that you guys have homework pages. We are not going to work on the homework pages right now. We are going to work on them tomorrow. Okay? So you guys do not have homework tonight. But what I do want to do right now is go through and cross out the ones that we're not going to do. Okay? So make sure you are on this page. It's page 34. And we're going to go through and cross out the ones that we're not going to do. Are you ready? Oh, it's missing a part of the problem right here. That makes it a mystery. Are we going to do the mystery?
No.
Nope. So, number 1, get rid of it. We're not doing that problem. So just a nice cross out, okay? We're not scribbling. Number 2, it has both numbers. We do not need to cross it out. We can keep that one. Number 3, it has both numbers. We don't need to cross it out. Oh, I see. In your book, boys and girls, there is a page in there that says mid-chapter checkpoint. Go to the next page. I want you guys to make sure that you are on... Sorry, it's page 35. 34 is the mid-chapter checkpoint. We are doing that page tomorrow together. A mid-chapter checkpoint is just saying, okay, this is what we've learned so far in the chapter. Let's see if you remember it. We're going to do that together. We are on page 35. So make sure that you're on the same page as me, 35. Are you on this page? 35. Look at the bottom and make sure it says 35. So you're on the wrong page, sweetie. So we just crossed out this one, Petra. Look here. We just crossed out this one that has the little guy. So cross it out.
Yeah, I did cross it out.
Okay, so turn the page now. I don't know, sweetie. Oh, right here. This page, boys and girls, you need to skip this one. We're doing this one tomorrow. So turn the page. It's this page here.
Which number is it?
Look at my page. 3-5. That's the page for the homework. We're doing this page tomorrow together. This page tomorrow together. This page tomorrow together.
Oh my God.
Okay?
Good. Time to look for that bead.
3-5. Cruz. 3-5. Look at the bottom. 3-5. I'm going to make sure you guys are on the right page. Good job. Oh, you already ripped it out. Okay. So we are crossing out this one. We are crossing out this one. Yep, good job. Okay. Keep this one. Do not cross out this one. Keep this one. Now, if you go to the way bottom of the page, do you see these lines?
Yeah.
Do you see them on your book? Look in your book. Do I ask you to write stories during math? Nope, not yet. It's too early for that. Too early. You can just do the wavy line like I did. Okay, now flip that page over. Flip the page. This is the back side of the homework. Remember, this side is always the easier side because it's review. Review means we've already done it.
Yes.
Okay? Any mysteries here? Nope. So can we do it? Yep, we're not going to cross it out. Let's go to the next part.
Next page.
Spiral review. Write the number sentence and how many. 4 green grapes, 4 red grapes. How many together? That's super easy. We can keep that one. Draw the cubes and write the sum. That's super easy. We've already done that before.
Everything's easy.
Everything is super easy. Draw the cubes, write the sum. Easy peasy. So can you guys handle this? Absolutely.
We've done this on our homework that when we didn't have these books.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you guys did that before Go Math, huh?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We're just doing the same thing the same thing. So then
Exactly, and that's what a mid-chapter checkpoint's going to do too. So tomorrow we are doing page 34, 35, 36. We have 3 pages that we're going to do together tomorrow. So guess what? We are all done with math for today. 37 is a new unit. 1.5. We will do 1.5 Monday next week. Actually, you guys will be doing it with Señorita Garcia in Spanish. It's going to be really fun. Oh, that's a point for the teacher. Make sure that we are raising our hand, please. Okay, first grade. Save those